Hello guys, very professional train spotter here. Today at Wolverhampton on the West Coast main line, where we should see plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, CrossCountry, London Northwestern Railway, Transport for Wales and West Midlands Railway. 350-255 for London Northwestern Railway brought me in from Birmingham New Street. He was working, well, from New Street he was working delayed 10:22. And from here was delayed 10:41. London Northwestern Railway service to Crewe via Stoke-on-Trent. Nothing else has happened since. There are massive delays on this part of the network today, because between Birmingham New Street and Wolverhampton, apparently a road vehicle has struck a bridge, which is obviously just throwing the entire rail network and timetable and all that into absolute turmoil. So anyway, I'll stop waffling now and sit back, relax and see what shall arrive, depart, and maybe pass by. I doubt there'll be any freight today, to be fair, here at Wolverhampton. Okay, so now approaching is going to be the delayed 11:06 London Northwestern Railway service. Well, it's not delayed, it's actually on time. What am I thinking of? Yeah, he's the 11:06 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street. I'll probably have to get the number when he departs. There he is. I can just about see him if I do stand over the yellow line. It's 350-249. No, nothing yet. Okay, so now round the bend up there is going to be a terminating West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street. I think 35249 is getting ready to depart with the 11:06 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street. And apologies if the sun is affecting the viewing of this as well, but I can't control that. This is 350-406. Okay, so now approaching is going to be the 11:11 Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Birmingham International. It looks like it is works by a pair of 158s. I'd have been surprised if it was anything else, to be honest. Although I did hear that there was a 175 on here the other day for some reason. And obviously, you know, we've seen plenty of 150s on these routes as well. Go away. Yeah, wasps are back. Bees and God knows what else. 158, I believe that's 833 on the front. I'll get the rear when he departs. Okay, 158833 is now getting ready to lead away. The 11:11 Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Birmingham International. I'm to believe the camera's gone out of focus as well, but the sun is playing absolute havoc. So, yeah. 158825 is on the rear. I might as well not bothered pausing there, as now approaching is going to be the 11:14 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. This is going to be a Super Voyager and Standard Voyager combination. Unless if it's a four-coach version of a Super Voyager. Two-to-one, 122 is on the front. It's 220-011 on the rear. Okay, 221 122 and 220 011 are now getting ready to depart with the now delayed 11:14 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. You can just about see him at the end of the station there. You see 122. As 35406's doors keep opening and closing every 5 seconds. Believe it or not, the noise of them closing is actually pretty annoying sometimes. Zoom in on it, why not? Yeah, it's not the best quality on the zoomer here, sorry. And these gone. Okay, so now coming in is going to be the 11:22 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. I can see from here it's 35235 on the front in his British Transport Police livery. As flying 35,000 feet above me is a Turkish Airlines flight from Houston to Istanbul. Dear Christ. I could never do that sort of flight. I'd be bored after the first hour. missed that because I'm too busy faffing around with my phone. Advertising Cadbury World in Bourneville is £3.50, £3.70. As them poor people have just missed their train being 3:54:06, which is now getting ready to depart with the 11:22, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's the 11:22 West Midlands Railway service to Walsall via Birmingham New Street. Calling at Cosley, Tipton, Dudley Port, Sandwell and Dudley, Smethwick Galton Bridge, Smethwick Rolfe Street, Birmingham New Street, Duddeston, Aston, Witton. Perry Bar's closed in it, so we can't stop there. Where else? Hampstead, Cambridge Parkway, Bescott Stadium and Walsall, I think it is. I think that's the correct order. Calling it them stations anyway. Okay, so now approaching is going to be the heavily delayed 11:19 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. Worked by a pair of Turbo Stars in East Midlands Railway livery, ready for when they do eventually pass over to East Midlands Railway, when the 196s, isn't it? It's 196s and 197s. 196s, yeah. Come in to replace them. I'll be sad when these go though. I mean, I'll still be able to see them at East Midlands Railway, say if I go Derby or anything, but yeah. 170 514 is on the front. With 170 510 on the rear. As also coming in here is the... Oh, let's get this right now. What is it? It's 350 112. Yeah, it's going to be from Liverpool to Birmingham, but I forget the timing. Oh, he's the... No, it's gone. Yeah, I'll give you the time in the next clip when he departs. Okay, so now coming in here is going to be the 11:45 Avanti West Coast Pendolino service from Blackpool North to London Euston, 390 152. As 350 112 is now getting ready to depart with the 11:31. Yeah, the 11:31 London Northwestern Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street, with some blood on the front. Rest in peace, bird. My guess is a pigeon. There's twin sister train. 350 233 is on the rear. Okay, so now approaching is going to be the 11:35 West Midlands Railway service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. He's had a platform alteration. He was originally meant to go in on platform 2, but 39152 is taking up all the space. As behind me is a terminating West Midlands Railway service from Walsall. I can't quite make out the numbers from here for the Turbo Star, so I get them when he departs. I'll be able to get you the number of this though, surely. It's 350-248. Okay, so now departing is going to be the 11:35 West Midlands Railway service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. Booked by 170-516, who's on the front. On the rear is 170-535. Not though, that East Midlands Railway livery does actually suit the Turbo Stars, I feel. It does suit them a lot. As also coming in is going to be the 11:37 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Blackpool North. As there's another plane of some sort high up in the sky, from America to probably Europe. Fair play. 39112. Yeah, sorry for all that. The tablet was playing up and didn't want to play. So yeah, you've just had a brilliant shot of the platform. So anyway, now approaching is going to be the 11:41 London Northwestern Railway service to Crewe from Birmingham New Street. Just pulled up behind me is the 11:42 CrossCountry service from Manchester Piccadilly to Reading. This is 350-101. Double shift train. As 390-112, I think is already getting. 390-112 is also departing with the service to Blackpool, the 11:37 service to Blackpool. There, he's gone. And I think everything is going to be calm now. Excellent. Wait for him to stop. Lovely jubbly. Okay, so I think now getting ready to depart is going to be the 11:42 cross-country service to Reading from Manchester Piccadilly. As also coming in is going to be the 1144 Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International to Holyhead. So leading them in is going to be 158839. I'm probably going to have to look at real-time trains to get the rear for you, because I can't pass this point, can I? Unless we'll have catch something on the door. 158832 I think is on the rear, but I'll double check that. Okay, 392152 is now getting ready to depart with the 1145 Avanti West Coast service from Blackpool North to London Euston. Turn around and do it like this. It's got a green. All the whistles I think have been blown down the top, up the top of the platform. Go. And there's something else high in the sky. God knows what it is. I can't really be bothered looking at flight radar, to be honest, because I'm not at Marston Green or an airport, so what's the point? Okay, I think 35248 is now getting ready to depart with the 1148 West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Okay, so now coming in is what I think is the 1206 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street, as the camera's gone out of focus, so it's back in focus now. As above me is what I think is a British Airways flight from San Diego to London Heathrow. Okay, as I think 35231 is getting ready to depart behind me with the 1206 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Crewe. Now coming in is going to be a terminating West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street. He'll be forming my train to Aston, so then he can catch a connecting service from Aston home. Much easier than walking around New Street, don't you think? 350-250 is working this. As above me is a West Atlantic to some far and distant land. I forget where he's going. He's from Wharton Airport, which I think is like, I don't know where that is. From Wharton to somewhere. There's also Swiss Air from Dublin to Zurich. Yeah. And for some reason, that train conductor actually looks like Duncan Ferguson. Don't know why. Yeah. Okay, so now arriving is going to be the 1211 Transport for Wales service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham International. I absolutely adore these. Don't know what it's about them. I think, yeah, I don't know what it's about them. I just adore them. It's 158820 on the front of it, and I'll get the rear when it departs. Okay, so now coming in, it's going to be our, well, I'm going to say it's a final-ish train of the video. It's the 1214 CrossCountry service from Reading to Manchester Piccadilly, worked by a pair of standard voyagers. Two 20027s on the front. Two 20032 is on the rear. It's 158820 is also departing. One 158-837 is on the rear, and as he continues onwards towards Smethwick Galton Bridge, Birmingham New Street and Birmingham International, as he opens his doors, loads, unloads, all that, everything else, I am going to conclude this video there, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you dislike, please tell me why and how I can improve. Go and subscribe to my second channel. Yeah, I keep saying I'm going to start uploading again at some point over there. Yeah, there's nothing really for me to talk about, and everything I do want to talk about gets covered by everyone else, so yeah. Also go and follow me on Twitter so you can get all the updates of where I'm going, etc., all that stuff. My next station is going to be, I have no idea where my next station is going to be, so keep an eye out on Twitter for any updates. And yeah, I'm going to have to make a quick dash over to platform 5 so I can get through 250 back to Aston. So yeah, anyways, until my next video, whenever and wherever that is from, I am going to bid you all adieu. So yeah, take care guys, mind yourselves, and goodbye.